20th Century Fox Bloopers 10. Okay, here's the first take. And action. What the? Mickey Mouse? Whoa! What in the world? Cut, cut, cut. Why did Mickey Mouse destroy the 20th Century Fox logo? And why does it say, "We have finally bought Fox"?
Because I thought it was hilarious. Ha 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 ha.
Mickey Mouse is not supposed to be here, and it's supposed to be a normal version of 20th Century Fox. Get it right next time.
Okay.
Second take, and action. What the what? Cut, cut, cut. Why was Crash Bandicoot singing to the music with woes?
Because I wanted him to. Ha ha ha.
Crash Bandicoot is not supposed to be singing to the music with woes. It's supposed to be 20th Century Fox, but without Crash Bandicoot. Okay?
Okay, fine.
Third take, and action. Cut! Why does it say Studios BS0?
Because I like it being called that. Ha 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 ha.
It's not Studios BS0, it's 20th Century Fox.
Fine.
Fourth take, and action. Cut! Why does it say 20th Century Fox knee, and it's not 20th Century Fox styled?
Well, I just wanted to do something cool in Walt Disney Picture style. Ha ha ha.
It's not 20th Century Fox knee, it's 20th Century Fox, and it has to be in 20th Century Fox style. Okay?
Okay.
Next take. Action. Cut! Why is the 20th Century Fox logo in Microsoft Paint?
Because it's pretty cool in Microsoft Paint. Ha 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 ha.
It's not supposed to be in Microsoft Paint. It's supposed to be normal.
Okay.
Next take. Action. What? Celebrating 75 years? Cut! Why is it the 75 years variant, and why is it reversed?
I don't know, I just felt like doing this. Hee 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 ha ha ha.
It's not supposed to be the 75 years variant, it's supposed to be normal, and it's not supposed to be reversed. Got it?
Okay, I got it.
Good. Next take. Action. Oh, what is this? Cut, cut, cut. Why's the 20th Century Fox logo in CinemaCon?
Because I like it in CinemaCon. Hee 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 ha ha ha.
It's not supposed to be in CinemaCon. You hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Next take. Action. Cut, cut, cut. Why does it say Warner Brothers Pictures?
Well, I just wanted to do a different logo in 20th Century Fox style. Hee 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 ha ha ha.
It's not Warner Brothers Pictures, it's 20th Century Fox.
Okay.
Next take. Action. Cut, cut, cut. Why does it say Windows 2000?
I wanted to do another logo in 20th Century Fox style. Hee 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 ha ha ha.
It's not Windows 2000, it's 20th Century Fox. If you mess up 2 more times, I will fire you.
Fine.
This is the second to last take. Action. Cut, cut, cut. Why does it say Microsoft Windows XP? And why are the sounds of Windows XP like covering the 20th Century Fox theme?
I just wanted to do something cool. Hee 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 ha ha ha.
It's not Microsoft Windows XP, it's 20th Century Fox, and the music is supposed to be normal. This is your last chance, and if you mess up, you're fired.
Okay, I'll get it right.
Good. Last take, and action. This is perfect! Thank you!
You're welcome!
This has been part 10. Thanks for watching, and get ready for TRLB 5, which is coming tomorrow, and tomorrow is Halloween!